In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to your Coda doc and import a spreadsheet. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io/signup. If you're new to Coda, this page lets you create an account in a few clicks. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, open the Coda doc where you want your Google Sheets data to live. This can be a new doc or an existing one, just make sure you've got edit access so you can make changes. Now look to the top right of your doc and click Insert. This opens a panel that helps you bring in building blocks, data, and integrations. From here, click Packs. Packs are Coda's way of connecting your doc to external tools, and that's exactly what we need for Google Sheets. In the Packs gallery, use the search bar to type Google Sheets. When you see the Google Sheets pack, click Install. Installing the pack adds the integration to your workspace so your doc can securely communicate with your Google account. You may be prompted to sign into your Google account. If so, follow the sign-in flow. Choose the Google account that holds the spreadsheet you want to use, then click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. These permissions let Coda read the spreadsheets you select so it can bring that data into your doc. You can change or revoke access later from your Google account settings if needed. Once the pack is installed and connected, return to the Insert panel. Under the Google Sheets pack, choose Google Sheets to browse your available files. You'll see a list of spreadsheets from the account you just authorized. Find the one you want to use and select it. If you have a lot of files, search by name to get to it faster. With your spreadsheet selected, simply drag it into your Coda doc. Drop it onto the page where you want the data to appear. Coda will create a synced table based on your spreadsheet so your information shows up cleanly and is ready to work with. From there, you can filter, sort, and reference that data in other parts of your doc, just like any Coda table. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the Google account you connected has access to the file you selected, especially if it lives in a shared drive. If the dataset is large, give Coda a moment to pull everything in. And if you ever need to switch accounts or update permissions, you can revisit the pack settings in the Insert panel. That's it, you've connected Google Sheets to your Coda doc and imported your spreadsheet.